Do you always look like this in the winter? But would you rather look like this? Then I'm here to help. Hi, I'm Pomelo, and here are some super simple tips to stay warm and cute in the winter. Let's go! My first tip is to get some of these cream colored tights, which are layered with warm fabric inside. You can even wear your favorite thin tights over it as well without feeling cold. To make it look a little less like you have Barbie legs, I like to use a little bit of blush or eyeshadow on my knees to give some more dimension. So here's a before and after applying the blush. It's not much, but it helps. I've seen some brown and black versions as well, but if you struggle to find your color, you can try dyeing the cream colored one at home. Though I recommend looking for the ones with feet so that they don't creep up. My next tip is for the shoes. Whenever I looked for cute boots, they'd always be basic with barely any detail, and when I finally found some boots I liked, they turned out to only be warm around the legs, but not the feet. To prevent the cold from the pavement to reach your feet, try putting in thermal soles. I also recommend wearing shoes with high platforms to keep more distance between the cold pavement and your feet. See the difference here? If you want to wear open shoes, try adding leg warmers. They really elevate the outfit and add more warmth. I was really surprised with how warm they keep my feet, so I really recommend it. And here it is with some loafers. Next, I recommend investing in cardigans. I used to think that cardigans ruin my outfit because it covers up too much, but there have been many cute and creative cardigans on the market lately. I learned that having basic cardigans is nice for if you just need to put something simple on that won't affect the outfits too much, but you can also make the cardigan the main feature of your outfit or contrast it for some pop. I always wear a camisole in the winter to keep my stomach and back warm in case my top creeps up. This will usually not affect the outfit either, since winter is perfect for layering. You can also add a blouse or a turtleneck to get that cute color, but sometimes the sleeves mess up your outfit, so I recommend finding tops that are sleeveless. This blouse is specifically made for the color, and sleeveless turtlenecks will still keep your torso warm. Keeping your torso warm is really important in the winter to prevent you from getting sick. When going outside, you might feel like your coat is ruining your outfit by covering it all up, which is why you should match your coat with your outfit. Some cute stores that I found was Devil Inspired. They have such cute stuff and I've been eyeing them for so long and I keep hearing really great reviews, so maybe you should try that out. Yes Style is also great for really cute styles and I've ordered from them before, so I really recommend it. Another shop that I've been eyeing on lately is Shop Cider. They have some really cute styles, so check that out as well. This purple coat is from AliExpress, but it kinda broke down, so I'm not sure if I could recommend it. And this fluffy brown coat is from Bershka. Next up, accessories! I wasn't really much of a hat person until I found this really cute beret and this super fluffy bucket hat that keeps my head warm. And it's perfect for winter. And oh my god, I recommend this to everyone. I've never seen anyone look bad in ear warmers. They're so cute. Whether they have a unique design or they're just plain, they always look so cute and they're really warm. So try it out. My final tip isn't necessarily for winter, but I still wanted to mention it to keep your outfit cute and safe. Make sure to always wear safety shorts, even if you're wearing thick tights, because you know how people can be, unfortunately. Though I recommend wearing bloomers instead of actual shorts to hide your booty a little better. I also definitely recommend trying a petticoat. I wear this with all my short skirts because it adds shape, keeps me warm because of the layers and the lace, and puffiness also adds some cuteness for those low angles. And oh my god, I'm only seeing this now, but make sure to pull it up for a smoother shape. These were my tips. I hope you enjoyed and that these will be useful. See you another time. Bye!